Welcome to our third training video, and hopefully you've had over the next couple of days a chance to go over all the tabs in the online office and kind of have a feel for where things are, because now we're going to actually start completing some of the things in the office that will have you all set up as a coach to start to run challenge groups. So before we talk about the fun stuff, we have to get the logistics and the financial stuff out of the way. So for today's video, I'm going to tell you how we get paid as a Beachbody coach, and I'll go through what you need to do on the online office. There's 2 steps for the Canadians coaches on how to ensure that you get paid for all your hard work. So as a Beachbody coach, we earn 25% commission off every sale we make. So whether you sell Shakeology or one DVD pack, vitamins, a challenge pack, whatever it is, you earn 25% commission off every single sale that goes through your Beachbody account. Next video we'll talk about how we get customers to sign up through you, but this video is really about how to make sure that we have everything set up for automatic deposit and your W-8 Ben form. So you'll see that on your 10 essential things that all Beachbody coaches need to do their first month. Your check sheet, you'll see that this is the 3rd task down. So first off, to set yourself up for automatic payments, you're going to go onto the My Business tab in your Coach Online Office, and you're going to go down to My EFT forms. And in there'll be one for bank information, bank account, I forget what it's called, but within there, and all you'll need is a void check. So you'll need a check in front of your hands, and they go through point by point how you need to add in what numbers, and then you just submit it online. So that part's quite easy. The second part is we all need to, as Canadian coaches, American coaches don't need to do this, but if you are a resident and a Canadian citizen, we need to fill out a tax form because the Canadian government is going to want to take taxes. When we're paid weekly, so we're paid every Thursday as a Beachbody coach, there's no taxes taken off, which is nice, but the Canadian government's going to take their piece of the pie come income tax time. So you will need to make sure that you fill out a W-8 Ben form in order to get paid. So I've Googled the form. That's the easiest way of getting the form. It's put out by the IRS in the United States. It is a standard form. It is 1 page, and they also online give you an example of exactly what to say. So yes, you put in your own personal information, and then there's a couple of lines where you have to write something out, and I copied it verbatim from their sample sheet because essentially we're just working for an American company as an independent contractor, and in order for them to pay them, we have to fill out this sheet. So this is saying that the American government isn't going to tax us because the Canadian government's going to tax us instead. So you fill this sheet out, you need to scan it, and then email it to Coach Relations. You just title it My W-8 Ben form, and say why, say your name and your coach ID number, and they'll get back to you within 24 hours saying, thank you, it's been received, it'll be processed. They're excellent at helping you out. Also too, if they're missing something or if it's not correct, they will email you and let you know what is missing or how to straighten it up. So those are the things that you need to make sure that you have done in order to get paid once you start actually working the business. So since we spent last time on the just Coach Line Office, I thought we should put the tabs to use. So you need to go into the My Business tab, My EFT forms, and print out your W-8 form. So not a hard task, should take you about 15 minutes. Post if you have any questions or any problems, but that's the 3rd day of Coach Basics. Let's make sure you're set up to start earning when we start talking about the fun stuff, the challenge groups.